Your name. Your name is Kimi Grande and
My name is Kimi Grande.
Your background?
I'm a student athlete and I also coach cyclists. And I've been riding for Fox for 7 years now. And I'm
thank you, Sir Kimi. It's amazing. A 7-year partnership with Fox. And Sir, it's your turn.
Yes, hi, I'm Edri Ocampo. I'm actually yung sport ko, I started with mountain biking. So I've been with Fox for almost 8 years now. So thank you, Fox, for supporting the athletes. I started in mountain biking, pero bukod dun sa sport, I organize races, I build trails. So we have trails yung home trails ko sa Tarlac tsaka sa Nueva Ecija. Tapos yung day job ko, I direct TV commercials, nagka-camera operate ako. So, yun. So, hindi ako talaga pro athlete, no? Pero I think I'm one of those weekend warriors na weekend warriors na mas marami kasi tayong athletes na ganun, di ba? So, kumbaga mas relatable din. So, yun. Alright.
Tama ka, Sir. No? Si Sir nga, student athletes, diba? Palapakan naman natin yung mga weekend warriors. Alright, so Sir.
Hi, I'm Ralph Ramento. I'm a working athlete. I've been with Fox since 2017, so mga 7 to 8 years with Fox. And I do motocross too.
Motocross. Ayan. Salamat naman, guys. And again, we are glad to have you here in our event. Pero syempre, susulitin na namin na nandito kayo. No? So we'd like to ask you a few questions if you will oblige. Alright? So, excite na siya. Kinuha na niya yun. Okay, so Sir Kimi, I guess I will ask you the first question. How long have you been in this sport? And can you share siguro yung defining moments mo in your career as a student athlete or a student, that made you realize you wanted to pursue motocross or mountain biking to a professional level?
So I've been riding since I was 11 years old. I started with BMX. And I transitioned to mountain bike downhill racing when I was 16 years old. And when I was riding in the trails and I first experienced airtime from the jumps, that was the time that I know that I wanted to take this sport seriously. So yeah, pag nararamdaman ko po kasi yung airtime, parang feeling ko lahat ng mga maliliit or malalaking problema ko, mawawala. For kahit mga ilang seconds lang or milliseconds sa air, parang sobrang tagal niya para sa akin. So, yun, yung pag nakuha yung feeling na yun, sabi ko,
Okay siya. Of course, who agrees, it gives you an unexplainable high na gusto mong ulit-ulitin, no? And congratulations because you're continuing to pursue your sport. Salamat po, Sir Kimi. And of course, siguro para, turn naman nila. Right? Si Sir Edric and Sir Ralph, I'd like to ask you some questions also. So, what does it mean to you to be part of the Fox family? And how has Fox Gear supported you in your career? Kasi you said kanina 7 to 8 years. Grabe.
Of course, Fox is really one of the leading brands when it comes to motocross and mountain biking. So, not just here, but globally. Kumbaga, most of the elite world champions, elite athletes are supported by Fox. Not just supported, pero kumbaga kahit yung mga ibang privateers, not even sponsored by Fox, you can really see na it's our choice. Kumbaga, for safety, for style, and pag safe ka kasi, tsaka alam mo stylish ka sa suot mo, gives you confidence eh. Kumbaga, wala pang performance, sulit na sa Japorms pa lang. So, Fox is really one of those aspirational brands na even before nasa Fox ako, it's really one of those brands that I look up to. So, I'm very thankful na for the past 8 years, Fox has supported me and all the other athletes, no? Kumbaga, and as I said earlier, I organize races, I build trails. Hindi lang nila ako sinuportahan sa riding ko in racing. All the events that I organize, all the trails that I build, Fox has been there behind me and the community. Kumbaga, it's one of those brands na tinitingnan yung community and inaalagaan yung community, even the grassroots. They have supported my events na kahit mga riding clinics or just inspiring young athletes or young riders na to pursue their dreams. Kumbaga, Ralph and Kimi, mga pro athletes to. Kumbaga, they're really champion in their categories or in their events. So, they're good inspiration and role models for the young athletes. Ako naman, kumbaga, sabihin na natin weekend warrior, ganun din, kumbaga sa role model sa mga hindi pro athletes but really want to up their game and kumbaga i-enjoy yung sport na to. So yun, thank you Fox.
Thank you, Sir Eddie. And of course, the Fox family is behind you all the way. Alright, Sir Sir Ralph, would you like to add dun sa sinabi ni Sir Eddie?
Being part of Fox, sobrang laking bagay niya sa akin. Kasi since I was a kid, I dreamed of having sponsors din. So, mahilig kami manood sa TV, ganyan. So, most of the time, nakikita namin yung Fox na brand. So, nilook up ko talaga na habang pinupursue ko yung dream ko sa sport na maging part yung Fox as one of my sponsors. So, they granted me noong 2017 na maging part ng Fox family. So, ever since, they've supported me 101%.
101%. Fox all the way. And sir, with that, dahil sinabi mo, no, since you were a kid, siguro I would like to ask, what is your advice to those young athletes who dream of following in your footsteps and making it to the top?
My advice for the young athletes, never give up on your dream. Kasi that's yun yung naging motto ko pursuing the sport. Hindi kami nag-start ng sobrang galing. Nag-work kami hanggang ma-reach namin ng top level. So, yun lang. Never give up talaga kasi pag mas humihirap siya, so ibig sabihin nag-i-improve ka pa. So, once na ma-overcome yun, mas mag-i-improve ka pa.
Tama. Yes, of course. And Sir Eddie, would you like to add dun sa... Sir Eddie, ayan, mag-add ka ba dun sa sinabi ni Sir Ralph about what is your advice to young athletes?
Yeah. Even me, no, I have kids na at a very young age, I encourage them to go outside, to play outside, to be active. So, ako kahit hindi ako pro athlete like them, sila kasi they really train every day, every weekend. Ako lang, gusto ko lang masabi, let's devote time for ourselves, for our physical well-being. Exercise tayo, lumabas tayo, and malay natin, when we go outside sa trail, sa bundok, doon natin na-enjoy yung happiness pala natin. Like me, I started riding my bike. Gusto ko lang sana mag-exercise. Pero nung nandun na ako sa bundok, nandun nakita ko rin dun yung happiness, yung peace, the inner peace na pag nandun ka na, bukod sa you're doing yourself a favor physically, makakatulong din siya mentally, spiritually. So, yun lang, just go outside, play outside, tapos enjoy.
Tama. Go outside, play outside. Sabi nga din ni ROX. And Sir Kimi, being a young athlete yourself, siguro I would like to ask, curious ako kasi sabi ni Sir Eddie kanina, stylish So what is your favorite Fox gear?
So my favorite Fox gears, the Flex Air gears, which are the Flex Air pants and shirt. So what I like about it the most is how it feels really comfortable while riding. Because of course, when we're riding, we want to feel comfortable. If we're uncomfortable, we get tired easily. So I feel comfort dun sa may Flex Air gear, and it's my favorite.
The Flex Air gear, all right. So, and Sir Ralph, siguro, as Fox continues to innovate, what are you most excited about in the future Fox racing gear and apparel?
With Fox, I'm always excited with their new innovations with their products. Kasi for me, pinafollow kasi yung mga pro athletes with mountain bike and motocross din. Kasi in the US, medyo mas nauna sila with the product. So, nilulook forward ko lagi na dumating yung products here and to try them. Kasi alam ko na laging merong magandang improvement with Fox.
And of course, the Fox continues to develop amazing products for our athletes. And thank you guys. A round of